Hey guys, it's Michelle with Monarch Graphics and Design. I wanted to show you something really cool. I was going through a book that I got from college when I took Photoshop in college. It's just Adobe Photoshop CS5 revealed. And so I wanted to show you how to get this pencil sketch look to it. So let's start. We need to open. We're going to grab a color picture. Okay, and then we're going to change this to black and white. But see how when you open a picture, it's locked? So to get it unlocked, you just double click and then it renames it the layer. So then you're going to go up to image and mode and turn it to grayscale, and you're going to discard all the color. Then you're going to right click, duplicate the layer, push OK, and then on your copied layer, you're going to go to image, adjustments, and invert, and it's going to look scary. Okay, so everything dark turned light. Then you're going to change the blending mode, which is over here in layers. And you're going to click on this drop down menu. And there's all kinds of things here that will do different things. But for this one, we're going to do color dodge. Okay, don't freak out. Don't panic. It looks like it's disappeared. But on the same copied layer here, we're going to go to filter, and we're going to go to blur, and then we're going to go to Gaussian blur. And then it's going to give us a little scale here, and so we can adjust it however we want. And then you just push OK. And then there you go. Simple. I did play around with some pictures. Not all pictures look that great when you do this technique. So you might have to play around with your pictures a little bit and try to find a good one. So that's it for today. Just a little short one on how to make a pencil sketch from a photo. Real simple, easy way. How to transform your photo there. All right, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you can check out all my videos. And I'll see you guys next week.